We take it for granted that we have internet, but not everybody has access to that right now. So what we're doing is putting that network of satellites strategically positioned so that we can reach those areas that currently don't have access to the internet.
I really like the idea of being a part of a company that's trying to bring satellite coverage worldwide, and the entire process to try to be the company that's the first to mass-produce satellites successfully.
It's pretty amazing because we kind of went from nothing to just beautiful white floors, not being able to build anything, to actually having satellites, and now the satellites are fully tested. We have satellites up there that are already performing really well, so now we're just going to keep building our constellation.
OneWeb has staffed with the most experienced technicians.
Like, we put together a team of over 100 operators very quickly and leading them and getting them to build like quality products.
We're kind of all hand-picked.
We have a great experienced 5-star team.
My name's Doug Hudson. I'm a launch operations technician. I retired from the Air Force in 2007.
I'm Gwendolyn Sisto. I'm the operations and planning manager at OneWeb Satellites. It was like they had written the job description for me. I studied aerospace engineering, aeronautics and astronautics.
My name is Florence Trin. I'm the integration and test lead for OneWeb. My dad was my inspiration. He is the reason why I am interested in engineering and math and the space program and space.
OneWeb Satellites has 5 apprentices, and I am just one of the 5. So we're working specifically on the manufacturing of the satellites.
It's been a long time planning, preparing, doing pre-tests, dry runs, and making sure that this process is efficient.
We kind of have a saying, make it happen, Captain. And we've been working 10, 12, 14-hour days, and to get the second launch out is a big accomplishment. I like getting in on the ground floor. It's exciting. There's a little bit of competition there with some of the other companies in the area.
Well, it's been pretty awesome. I mean, look, I'm here at Kennedy Space Center. I have the Antonov behind me. I mean, where else would you get to do this?
It's such an international company. They're very accepting and very open to everyone, and I think that's really beneficial.
It's exciting times and it's cutting edge.
When I thought about aerospace, I never thought about this. This is something that's revolutionary and something that's really exciting.
We're just like scratching the surface of what's possible. So now we've built this whole machine that makes the machine that can be used for all these other applications. We're basically bringing the cost down for space and making it more accessible for the rest of the world to like touch it.